Today in this video you will see some of the plants as a beginner you can grow where you don't need daily watering. So when you keep these plants, especially indoors as house plants, these plants doesn't need to be watered every day. If you are a busy person, if you are a person who doesn't have much time to spend with plants but still love keeping them, try growing these plants and add them in your house plants collection. So you also can add some greens to your house and decorate it, and also have some plants in your garden as well. So these plants are ideal for the shade, and let me to show you the top plants that are very easy growing without watering on daily basis. This is ZZ plant, which you can grow from leaves and also from stems. This plant doesn't like getting watered every day. You can add some garden soil in the soil mixture and some sand and also a little bit of cocoa peat. And this is one of the plants among the plants that doesn't like getting watered every day. So this beautiful ZZ plant you can grow very easily as a beginner. Next beautiful plant that doesn't like getting watered every day is the snake plant. Do not go to water it on regular basis, and also this is another house plant which provides air purification and also very easy to grow, low maintenance and permanent. Any beginner gardener can easily grow them with well draining soil. Take some garden soil, add some cocoa peat and some sand. So do not go to water this beautiful Sansevieria. Next plant that doesn't need regular watering is this beautiful aloe vera. Aloe vera is a medicinal plant where you can grow in huge planters or any DIY planters, and the gel has been used for many years for skincare and hair care. So add this one plant in your garden as a house plant or as an outdoor plant, and this you can grow without watering for a couple of days. So basically it depends on the weather condition of your country as well. If you are a busy person and who doesn't have time to grow plants but still love keeping them, this is one of the options for you. Beautiful bird nest plant. So if you have this plant also in your garden, you will see this is a low maintenance plant, permanent plant, and also a plant that grows without fertilizer. This plant also you don't need to water on regular basis. They love the moisture in the soil, so when preparing the soil, provide moisture by adding some cocoa peat or some coconut husks, and these plants needs ample space. They grow so huge and large, so keep it in a corner in the shade, and you don't have to water them on regular basis. These are variegated pandanus plants where they don't need watering every day, and one of the low maintenance and permanent plant which doesn't need much fertilizer as well. So once you keep it in the shade in your garden, these plants can tolerate any weather condition, friends, and also these plants looks really very beautiful in huge planters. So this is another plant which you can grow without any trouble, without any fertilizer, without any maintenance. One of the best and beautiful plants.